Managing legal cases and client billing can be a complex and time consuming task, especially when using multiple software tools or dealing with cumbersome manual processes. Whether you're a solo practitioner or part of a large firm, you need a solution that can streamline case management, improve billing accuracy, and enhance collaboration. Leap Legal software is designed to address these challenges by offering a comprehensive suite of features tailored for the legal industry. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Leap Legal software can help you manage your legal cases, streamline workflows, handle billing efficiently, and enhance client communications in 2025. Leap offers an all in one solution for law firms designed to increase efficiency, reduce administrative overhead, and ultimately help you deliver better results for clients. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the case management and collaboration. Leap provides end to end case management capabilities that allow you to track every aspect of a legal case, from initial client intake to case resolution. The software offers a centralized platform where you can store and manage documents, emails, court dates, tasks, and deadlines. This helps you stay organized and ensures nothing falls through the cracks by centralizing all case related information in one place. This is especially important for managing complex legal workflows. Another key feature is the billing and time tracking. Leap allows you to track time and bill clients directly within the platform, offering various billing methods, including hourly rates, fixed fees, and contingency billing. The software also integrates with accounting systems to ensure that your financials are always up to date. This reduces billing errors and saves time by eliminating manual tracking and invoicing processes. This ensures accurate and timely billing for both the firm and the client. Another key feature is the document automation and templates. Leap includes document automation features that allow you to create custom templates for legal documents such as contracts, pleadings, and agreements. By using pre-configured templates, you can automate document creation to save time and reduce errors. This helps streamline the creation of frequently used documents, cutting down on manual work and increasing accuracy in the legal drafting process. Another key feature is the cloud-based access and mobility. Leap is fully cloud based, meaning you can access your legal cases, documents, and billing information from anywhere on any device. Whether you're in the office, at court, or working remotely, Leap ensures you have real time access to critical case data. This increases flexibility and mobility, allowing you to work from any location and access real time information whenever you need it. This is ideal for law firms with a distributed workforce or those who require work or remote work capabilities. Another key feature is its client portal. With the Leap client portal, law firms can provide clients with secure access to their case information, documents, and billing updates. Clients can log in to view case progress, approve documents, and even make payments online. This improves client satisfaction and transparency, allowing clients to stay informed about their cases and interact directly with your firm in a secure and efficient manner. Another key feature is the task management and workflow automation. Leap's task management features enable you to assign, track, and manage tasks related to your cases. You can set due dates, create reminders, and monitor progress to ensure that your team stays on top of deadlines. The software also supports workflow automation to handle repetitive tasks. This boosts productivity by automating routine tasks and keeping teams aligned on case deadlines and responsibilities. Another key feature is its integration with third party tools. Leap integrates with a variety of third party applications, including Microsoft Office, accounting software, court systems, and legal research tools. This allows you to streamline your processes without the need to switch between multiple platforms. This ensures seamless workflows by connecting Leap with the tools you already use, reducing manual data entry and enhancing efficiency across your practice. So, why is Leap Legal software a great choice? Leap Legal software stands out because of its comprehensive, all in one approach to managing legal cases and billing. Unlike other legal software platforms that may specialize in one area, Leap integrates all the features you need, from case management to billing to client communication, into a single user friendly platform. This eliminates the need for multiple tools and helps law firms operate more efficiently. The automation and time saving features, such as document templates and task management, ensure that administrative tasks are handled quickly and accurately. This allows lawyers and staff to focus more on the legal aspects of cases and less on time consuming paperwork. Finally, Leap's client portal is a standout feature that fosters transparency and better client relationships. Clients can track the status of their cases and receive real time updates, making them feel more involved and informed throughout the process. So basically, in 2025, law firms need a comprehensive solution that can handle case management, billing, and client communications efficiently. Leap Legal software provides exactly that. With cloud based access, automation, and integration capabilities that streamline workflows and improve productivity. So, if you're looking for a software solution that simplifies every aspect of legal practice management, increases billing accuracy, and enhances client communication, Leap Legal Software is a top choice for 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.